Okay, this is Woman's Cave coming at you, Woman's Cave style. You can follow me on Etsy as well, Pinterest, YouTube, and all the social media networks and blogging. Okay, so I went to Walmart, plus I had some things at home, plus I went to the dollar store. So I was challenged by people at my job to make face masks. So I looked up some information and all of that, but I do have a couple face masks that I've had for a while. So um, this is a material that you are going to need. 100% cotton. So I have a lot of these I got from Walmart, and it's 100% cotton. So there were a variety of squares, and this is a 20 piece, and they're cut in nice shaped squares, so you don't have to do a bunch of cutting. They were about $4 and something a pack, almost $5 a pack. These squares that I got right here, I did get some from Walmart, but I also got some from Joann Fabrics, and these can run anywhere from $2 and up. $2, say like $3 and up. So these are some squares, and they come in a wide variety of colors. Also, what you're gonna need now, you can get some of the batting, and normally this is like you can iron this onto your material and then cut, or and this gives you a filter, or you can get I got this from the dollar store. This was a felt roll, and this, let's see here, it's an 11 by 75 by 48. So I grabbed some of these as well. So this is also for a barrier inside the material that you're going to use. Or you can get some of these white felt ones. These is a little bit thicker, and I got these from Walmart. They were 28 cents a piece, and they come in a sheet like this. Actually, these are a little bit thicker. So you want to get something where when you breathe in, you can have some air, some kind of circulation, because you don't want to sweat inside the mask. So also you need two layers of 100% cotton. So they had different ways that you can make these masks. You can make them out of t-shirts. You can make them out of stretch jersey material, 100% cotton, on both sides with a coffee filter. But if you want to make them reusable, wearable, then you want to use not a coffee filter. You want to use the felt, okay, for it. Also, too, if there's no stretch material available, or stretch, you can use a headband. It's a little bit thick. I got this from the dollar store. So it comes in a wide variety of colors. Also, they do have these too at the dollar store, and this is 100% cotton fabric as well. Also, if there is no stretch material, you can use, for your edging and to pull to stretch, you can use tights. So you got to be a little bit creative, because some places are running out of everything. I got these tights from Walmart today for $1. You want to use some jersey material, something stretchy, so when you stretch the material, this over the material, it can stretch and then form into your face. Or to tie, you want to use some stretching material, so jersey. So I picked up a couple of things, some thick tights, and this one I love because it's jersey material and it's stretchable, but it's thick too. So these are leggings I can actually either wear or cut up. I haven't made up my mind which one I'm going to do yet. But if you use this, it is so thick you only need one layer, and then a layer, another layer for your filter. So this is one thing that you can do too. So remember, you do have options. So you got to kind of think outside of the box. This is some yarn that I've had. So I don't know how to pronounce this, but it is fettuccine yarn. This is jersey yarn, and it is stretchable. So you can, I bought a lot of these months ago when I caught them on sale at the dollar store actually. And this is so stretchable, so you can use this to for your facing, for your edging of your mask, and to tie. It's stretchable. You also want to use, if you want to, depending on how you want to make your mask, you want to use a chalk so you can mark your tissue paper. So I have the chalk, white chalk. I have measuring tape, pens. Also, I'm using tissue paper for my design. So I'm going to use the tissue paper, cut out my design for the mask, so as a template. T-shirts. So these t-shirts was $4, almost $5 at Walmart. So they do on cdc.gov, cdc.gov. They do have it where you can do the t-shirt mask. However, this material is so good and it's going to be breathable for you. It's going to fit good to your face. So I would recommend this as your backing to this, or to your jersey material, with your felt in the inside. So it can be rewashable, reusable, and I'm going to use this as material. So, and plus you're going to need, of course, a sewing machine. So those are all the things that I have right now, and I'm going to make some masks. I got some orders. So you can make a mask of this nature and see it's stretchable. So you can do that. Or you can use this as a template. However, I didn't get any of this from the hardware store, but some people said they have. But you can make it to form this. So it can fit the face, or you can use as a template this style, which everyone is using, and you can do it where you don't have to have this to go around your ear, because a lot of people behind the ear has been getting sore. So the cotton one is better. The cotton stretch jersey one is a little bit better. So you want something really lightweight. So anyway, I'm going to get to it and draw out my template and come up with some nice designs.